welcome to or back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and today I am filming a little Damson haul. It has been ages since I filmed like a haul video that's like associated with just one brand. I just did the washing up, so I'm a bit aware that I might have speckles all over me. That's what that is. it's like I've got the privilege now of being able to film in the evenings. It's like 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock now, so I am filming in the evenings while I can, but we've just had dinner and I've done the washing up, so I may look a bit dishevelled, to be completely honest with you. It is also like, I think it's like still about 25 degrees at the moment, probably definitely hotter in the flat, so bear with me. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here. I make content around slow fashion, London life, just general sort of early 30s living, and Damson is a brand I have wanted to try for ages. I tried to make it to their sample sale and didn't, so these I picked up full price. Two of the pieces I think are newer collection, one I think has just gone into their sale, but they're all like sort of staple shapes that they always do, so I thought I'd try it on with you guys, show you how it fits me as like a mid-sized girl with pretty big boobies. So I am a size 14 and I got all of these pieces in a size 14, so I thought it'd be good to show you how they fit on my size, because I do feel like you see a lot of Damson on slimmer girls, but you never really see it that often on a curvier girl. And I was specifically trying to look for the dress I got. Let me get it out for you. This beautiful dress on a curvier girl before I bought it, because I've got a real dream of being able to wear it without a bra and wear it in like lots of different ways. So this is the, I forget what it's called, I think it should say here, oh no it doesn't, but Damson, it's the Pia midi dress, but Damson is a sustainable, or on the more sustainable side, brand. This garment's made from organic cotton, which is obviously an eco-friendly alternative to regular cotton, and I think this was about £90, and it's this beautiful like fruit and floral print. And then it's got this amazing like embroidery along it as well, and I'll try and flash some pictures from the website, but this can basically be worn in loads and loads of different ways, and that's what really drew me to it, is that I can like wear it and styled in lots of different ways and make it like into a kind of more casual and a bit more like dressed up, depending on like how I want to style it. So I think without further ado we get this dress on and see how it looks on. Okay, so we have the dress on and I am obsessed. I absolutely love this. I think it kind of fits like exactly how I was expecting it to, which makes me so happy. I think it's just so pretty. I'm going to come a bit closer so we can like play with the top a little bit together. So this is it without a bra. I probably would opt for wearing a strapless bra with it, but I mean I could definitely probably get away with wearing it with a bra, without a bra, and I actually probably might have been better off with the size 12, but I do worry about this sort of area on the size 12 front. But I love how it looks. I absolutely love it. Let me prop you up a little higher. So I thought we could play with this silhouette. So the beauty of this dress is you can sort of wear it however you would prefer to. So if you just want to wear it as like a true halter neck style, you can wear it like that as well, which I actually think will be really cute and maybe a little more comfortable, because I was sort of struggling with it in that way, because I couldn't get it the right tightness around my neck, but I might just need a little bit of help with it. And I also think wearing it like in the halter style like this, you could like wear a really cool like statement necklace with it and really like bring it to life, and like bring it to life, like this dress isn't alive enough already. And some big sunglasses, and that would look really cool. And another way you can wear it is also styled at the front, so people wear it like in a bow at the front as well, which I just love the options. Like I love that you can wear it in all these different ways. I think that's so fun, and I don't know, it just brings like more excitement to dressing and like wearing it. And I've got this like vision of being able to wear it like I'm going to Crete on holiday, and like one night I can wear it like this, one night I can wear it with the strappy round and like wear it a few times. But it's gorgeous, I love it. Let me show you my next piece then. Brightness back. And then I also picked up a gorgeous little Coord that I've been eyeing up for ages, which is of course one of their leopard print pieces. I honestly didn't like love, for me, I loved it on other people, but I didn't love the leopard print gilet on me personally, or the leopard print cargos. Like, they're just not something I would wear. They're a bit too much too like utility, I guess, and like masculine for me. I'm definitely a girly girl, like through and through. So when I saw this little set, I just knew I had to have it. It's these gorgeous little shorts. I also think these could be easily worn as separates as well. So gorgeous little leopard shorts. And then I do think the top is like the pièce de résistance of the outfit, and I'm so hoping this looks as good as I'm imagining on. But it is like ruched underneath the boobies, and then ruched again sort of around the stomach, and it's got these gorgeous bows on. I just think, oh, it's so cute. These are again all made of organic cotton, and everything you feel is just like lovely quality, like really like long lasting. Like, you know when you touch something and you're like, I know this is gonna wash well. That's how I feel about these pieces. So let's go and get these little numbers on. And then this is the leopard print Coord on. Again, obsessed. I was a bit worried about the top. I thought it was going to be a little tight, but I'm in it and it's actually extremely flattering. However, we have a little bit of a fail. I'm really sorry. This fits amazing, it looks amazing, I love the brand, but I can't not mention it. The top is like, I don't know how you're going to be able to see that, it's like still stitched together. So like there's like, this is the normal sleeve, like fully elastic. This is like they've forgotten to like, or they've accidentally like stitched. I don't know how that missed quality control as someone that used to work in buying. I think it's fine, I'm just gonna literally like unstitch it, but I'm glad I got it on camera, just in case that all goes wrong, because I'm gonna just try and do it myself and hope for the best. But otherwise, if we ignore that, I love it, it looks great. I've again just styled it with these little red Everlane shoes. I love how it looks, and it's again so comfy, so fun, and I think it's obviously quite a lot together, but I can definitely style both these pieces separately when I feel like more of like a dress down look is needed. And yeah, I'm an absolutely massive fan, bar this little hiccup situation, which actually are probably quite bad for quite an expensive piece, really. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the haul, guys. I will leave all three of these items linked down below if you're interested. Remember to subscribe. I am well on my way to 11,000 subscribers, which makes me so happy and so excited. So please remember to hit the subscribe button. I know YouTube's always meant to be like, oh, I hate asking, but I don't. I really want you to subscribe if you could. That'd be amazing. This is obviously my dream, and I would love to continue making YouTube videos for you. So please subscribe if you made it this far in the video, and I upload every Monday at 6 PM. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.